Hey guys, welcome back to Cruise on Demand. I'm your girl, Kalisu91, and if this is your first time, then welcome to the family. So today we'll be doing the third technique for achieving knotless braids, and I've done the first and the second technique, so I'll put the links for that down below and somewhere here. But if you want to see the rest, you can go check that out. But today we're going to be doing the third method, and let's get into the video. Okay, so if you watched the first video, I asked you to separate the stretched hair into two sections. One section should be noticeably bigger than the other. Yeah, do that again. It will allow your braid, no matter the size, to look even. I'm starting off on braided roots. Next, I will take a crochet pin and pass the pin through the base of the braid vertically, as in from the bottom of the section to the top of the section. Now remember that small section of stretched hair from the beginning of the video? Yeah, place that hair into the pin, lock the pin, and pass it through the base of the braid. Okay, so next I will hold the section of hair I just crocheted with my braid and then take the crochet pin again and pass it through the base of the braid, but this time do it horizontally, as in from left to right. Next, remember that bigger section of stretched hair from earlier? Well, go ahead and pull that bigger section through the base of the braid using the crochet pin. If the base of the braid becomes loose when you use the crochet pin, then I would suggest you clip the hair out of the way and tighten the base by unraveling the braid and rebraiding the hair. Next, I will join the smaller portion, the hair that's running vertically, with the braided hair and use that as the middle strand for the braid. And then use the two strands running horizontally to the right and the left of the section as the second and third strand for the braid. And now all I have to do is braid the hair until I get to the bottom of the strands, making sure to tuck the braided hair into the stretched hair as you braid down the section. As you can see here, I'm trying to hide or encapsulate the braid inside of the stretched hair. You really don't want that braid to show, so make sure you do a good job, like I'm doing here again, to tuck that braid into the hair. And voila! It looks more natural than the 3-strand braiding method I showed you in my other jumbo braid video. This is how it looks a couple days later. Check out the first and second techniques. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.